Tilla was started in 2010 and I began in Ahmedabad in a studio. The idea was to work with handmade textiles. From there it's grown to being more than just textiles. For clothing, we also do textiles for interiors. We've done prints for wallpaper. We do special commissions, art installations, and now we have a little cafe as well. So the brand is growing. Well, the fact that we've worked with these people for over 10 years now, the result of their work that you see in the clothing. Everyone appreciates the clothing and the object, but no one really knows the story behind it. The change of technology is part of every age, and today digital printing is here. It's here to stay. It's a wonderful medium to do certain things. I suppose it would make sense to reach out to film festivals. There was a lady in the audience today who very kindly offered to show it at the Crafts Council of India and also at the World Crafts Council, where they do screenings, I think in France. So we've just put it out there and hopefully we will find our audience.